Here's a 1952 Smith Corona Sterling, which is in almost brand new condition. I bought it at an antique shop for $25, and it came with lots of stuff. It came with the case and the cleaning tools. As you can see, star type cleaning, and then Bernard Faber, and then it came with the key, which works for half. I will start with the lock immediately. As you can see, there are two buttons you have to press in, and this one, the spring is gone in the inside, which doesn't make it come out anymore. So the case is not as secure as it was before, but still locks. So I always lock the case just in case it might have the chance to be opened, because that one is not doing all the work, because on that side it doesn't work anymore. And it has the manual here. It says, "Congratulations, you own now the world's finest portable typewriter," and then you see the picture of the machine on Smith Corona Canadian. And here's some writing. I don't know what that was before I got it. I'm not gonna read this all out. I'll just read the first paragraph. "We feel sure that you enjoy your new Smith Corona portable typewriter, and that the information this booklet contains will assist you in getting the complete satisfaction for that thousands of other users enjoy." And then you get the information on the inside, how to remove the machine from the case. I also have the feeling this one is a silent and not a Sterling, because of the lever. That's a silent lever, not a Sterling lever. As you can see, that's a fold up, and it doesn't have paper bell. It has like the Underwood paper sports. So this is not the same machine. I hadn't seen it before, but that's true. And yeah, it's funny because there's no paper bell in that picture, and there is in here. So anyway, it has the information of placing the machine in operation, and yeah, it has like all the buttons work, and the things and knobs and all that. As you can see, here's some information about that, and how to insert the paper. Here you have the carriage releases. Oh, here's the keyboard. There's the keyboard. As you can see, my machine has the same keyboard. Nothing special has been done to this machine, which could be done when you bought the machine new. Here's how the ribbon, the system works. Touch selector and all that. Variable line spaces, how that works with the lever. Here's the typing sample and information, how the tabs work. Oh, focus. As you can see, picture of nice info. Here's how that works under the hood, how to remove the platen. Here's how to install a ribbon. And here how to insert your machine into the case. And then there's there's some warranty stuff here. And then you finally have the Smith Corona, and then it says form number PS 513/Y15 Canadian 10M749 and printed in USA. Which doesn't really make sense because it says here Canadian. The cleaning kit contains brushes to clean the keys, and an eraser inside that's many years old, and probably its poison has been out. So yeah. But okay, let's get back to the machine. Here it is. It has the two-tone keys, light and dark. Floating shift, so that means basket shift. Platen is in good shape, you can see some of the writing in it. It says here Smith Corona, Sterling. It has a carriage lock here. It's kind of hard to remove, but like that. There we go. And then open up. It's the inside. There's a new ribbon in it. I have used the machine a lot, as you can see. It has darkened keys because of the ink that I. But the machine itself is really clean. Also, the keys are in good shape. I think somebody, like, this is burnt almost, you would say. There's another key, I don't know which one. Nice big long spacebar. This is a touch control. Yeah. Both the directions work. It has 1, 2, and 3 spaces. Cloth underneath the hood to protect it. Here are the margins. Are indicated some wear here and there. Nice long lever. And here at the back are the tabulator settings. Here's the tabulator. Yeah, here's the paper bell, all the basic stuff on this machine, and it works fine. I needed to make a, for some time, as you can see, there is some fishing thread underneath. That's because the spring that, as you can see, there is a little linkage over there, and that one is having trouble moving the carriage, so spacebar mechanism would lock up because the spring was out of adjustment. So that was pretty much worthless, and I have to find another one now to fix it. But as you can see, it's a really clean machine. Great looking. Feet are in great shape. So yeah. I keep this brief. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I thank you for watching. Bye!